Here we are in beautiful Laughlin, Nevada at the SNORE Rage at the River. It's a packed field. There's over 300 cars, over 50 Class 1450s, over 20 trophy trucks. In the morning, we're racing against 1450 class. There should be about 50 guys on that class, and we're really looking forward to banging it out with those guys. Our first time racing in Nevada. Really looking forward to it. Can't wait till the green flag drops tomorrow. Today in qualifying, things went pretty good. We were kind of getting a little anxious already because we were the last ones out. So we were there since 9 in the morning, and finally our time came, got the green flag, and let it rip. Do what we do best. Like I said, we did it in about 4 minutes, 31 seconds, which ain't too bad for this clunk of junk, dude. It's a freaking 8,000-pound vehicle. I think we'll do good tomorrow. I'm super excited. I have all the faith in my team. Day one at the SNORE Rage at the River was really hectic in the morning. We put the car up on jacks to do our usual routine of getting the oils nice and warm on the truck. And we heard a clacking noise, a little banging noise on the rear end. And they all did a magnificent job changing the rear end. Took us about 30 minutes total time. By that time, the race had already started, and we started approximately 28 minutes behind everybody. Right. Put that jump. Hey, jump. Left turn. Luckily, we were able to get in our 4 laps. Car was perfect. We had no issues at all. We ran a flawless race. We had no dust, obviously. Everybody had already finished by the time we were out. So luckily we did get our 4 laps in. And you know, unfortunately I think we placed 23rd. But we were doing pretty good lap times. We were consistent. We were about 12 minutes, 30 seconds, 12:50 all laps. So you know, the truck was handling pretty well. It's a real heavy truck, and out here in the sandy stuff, after all the trucks go by, man, it's just worse and worse after every race.
Take the right turn, right turn, right turn. Right turn, right turn. Right turn, right turn up ahead, right turn. Ayúdate, acuérdate. Take the left, take the left. Easy. We got
come day 2, we were ready, man. We said, hey, man, we finished the 4 laps, and we were really looking forward to putting on a good show today. And you know, which we did. We ended up starting like lane in row 9, I think, in the middle. Right off the bat, we started picking off cars. We were picking guys off left and right, and right around the start of the second lap is when we were with the fast guys, so it was a little harder to pass. It was, you know, the guys have good horsepower. I'm really surprised, man. You guys out here in 14 car, man, they ain't no joke. And I'm super stoked to race with you guys. I'm gonna be coming out here a lot more. But unfortunately, we were at the race mile 6, and right in the flats, man, we were behind another vehicle, another 14 car chasing in his dust. We went over a huge jump. We're going about 90-something miles an hour, and right when we were gonna land, we see a smaller vehicle sitting duck, dude, just sitting right there on the freaking course. Bad crash, we rolled over. Fuck, dude, I'm just remembering it right now, it gives me chills. We rolled over twice. Luckily, it had landed on all 4s. My co-pilot, Ulises, is a little banged up.
Are you guys okay? We are okay, guys, we're okay. Fuck, we're okay, but we're out of the race, guys, we're out of the race. Good work. Is everybody okay? What mile you at?
His shoulder's hurting. You know, you'll hear from him later on. But yeah, it's unfortunate, you know, this is a risk we're all willing to take out here. In Spanish, we always say, fierros son fierros, man, and those shit, we can fix it, but we can't fix a life, and fuck.
My experience about that is the first time I rode. What can I say? I wouldn't want no one to experience that. That's something else. Everything's okay. Everyone's okay. But dude, truck was running clean. We had no problem. We were picking them one by one. But this is the race. It's racing. Nobody said this was going to be easy, but we're here. We love the sport, and we'll be back. That's for sure.
Thanks a lot to all the medical guys. Fuck, man, you guys are awesome. You were out there quick, took care of the situation real quick, got all the cars out of harm's way, and the course went hot right away. You know, it was. Those guys are unsung heroes, man. Anytime you see them around, man, just give them a pat on the back, say high fives, thank you, something, man, because they do a lot.